Hello again at Junk to Gems, y'all. You know, like I tell you, this is what we like to take scrap and crap and turn it into something cool. Now, this little four-wheeler right here, somebody was throwing away, so it didn't run no more. And so they said if we'd just come haul it off, they'd give it away. So we brought it home, and we spent, I think, $22 on the little carburetor and air filter right here, and put some fresh gas in it, and it started right up and runs great. So, and somebody had a light that they didn't want anymore, so we strapped a light to it. So now we got plenty of light on the front of it, and we use it to, as you can see, we got the strap on the back here, so we use it to just tow stuff around the yard, and in the process of making a little trailer for the back of it, so we can use it to hauling stuff around the yard. And again, that's just more stuff that we just, we pick up and people throw away.